Hi everyone! Welcome back to our kitchen. How are you all today? I hope you're all healthy and happy. Today, I want to share a snack recipe that's delicious, easy to make, and definitely addictive. We're going to make banana nuggets. Who here loves bananas? Or maybe you often wonder what to do with overripe bananas at home? Instead of letting them go to waste, let's turn them into crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and naturally sweet banana nuggets. These banana nuggets are perfect as a family snack, a school lunch for kids, or even a small business idea for those of you looking to start selling homemade treats. If you're ready, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Main ingredients: 2 ripe bananas. The riper they are, the sweeter the nuggets will be. Half a teaspoon salt to balance the sweetness. 5 tablespoons all-purpose flour, the main ingredient for the nugget batter. Water as needed. 100 grams of breadcrumbs to make the nuggets crispy. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour for the nugget coating. Simple ingredients, right? If everything is ready, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Making the banana nugget batter. Mashing the bananas. First, let's mash the bananas. You can use a fork or a blender, whichever you prefer. Today, I'm using 2 ripe bananas. Let's peel them first. It's super easy. Then, place the peeled bananas on a plate just like this. If you want a smoother texture, blend the bananas until creamy. But if you like some banana chunks in your nuggets, mashing them with a fork is better. I'll be using a fork so we can keep some of the banana texture. Once mashed, we steam the bananas to make them even softer. And this is how the steamed bananas look. Now, let's move on to the next step. Mixing the dry ingredients. Now, we mix the flour, sugar, salt, and water in a plate. So, let's prepare a plate for mixing. Stir until everything is well combined. If you want to add fillings like cheese or chocolate, this is the perfect time. You can customize it to your taste to make it even more delicious. This is how the batter should look. Nice and smooth. Now, let's move to the next step. Adding the bananas. Next, we add the mashed bananas into the mixture. This is what makes the nuggets so nutritious since we're using real fruit. Stir until everything is evenly mixed. It only takes about half a minute or until you see everything combined well. The batter should be thick, not too runny. And here's how it should look, thick and smooth. Now let's move on. Step 3. Shaping and steaming the nuggets. Pour the batter into a mold. Before pouring the batter into a mold, grease it with a little oil to prevent sticking. Make sure to spread the oil evenly on all sides, bottom, sides, and edges. This is how it should look after oiling. Now, pour the batter into the mold and spread it evenly. And here's the result. Steam for 20 minutes. Place the mold into a preheated steamer and steam for about 20 minutes until the batter is cooked and firm. Don't forget to cover the steamer with a clean cloth to prevent water droplets from falling onto the batter. Cool and cut the nuggets. Once cooked, let it cool down before cutting it into pieces. You can cut them into squares, rectangles, or any shape you like. Step 4. Making the nugget coating. Now, let's make the coating to make the nuggets extra crispy. Prepare the dipping batter. We'll mix all-purpose flour, breadcrumbs, and water in a bowl. Stir until you get a smooth consistency. Coating the nuggets. Take the steamed and cooled nugget batter and place it on a cutting board. This is how it should look after cooling. Now, cut it into your preferred size. I like to cut it in half horizontally first, then into 6 vertical pieces, like this. Next, dip each nugget into the batter, then roll it in breadcrumbs until fully coated. Repeat this for all the nuggets you want to fry. If you want them extra crispy, you can repeat this process twice. And here's how the coated nuggets look. So tempting already. But before we eat them, let's fry them. Step 5. Frying the banana nuggets. Heat the oil. First, pour oil into a pan and heat it over medium heat. We don't want the oil too hot, or the nuggets will burn quickly. Wait until small bubbles start appearing. Then we're ready to fry. Fry until golden brown. Carefully place the nuggets one by one into the hot oil. Fry until they turn golden brown. Let's wait a moment until they get crispy and perfectly cooked. While waiting, let's talk about banana nuggets. Banana nuggets are made by mashing bananas and coating them with breadcrumbs before frying. They're often topped with delicious toppings like Nutella, matcha, taro, chocolate, or cheese. Benefits of banana nuggets. High in fiber, great for digestion. A good source of energy. Helps maintain a healthy weight. Naturally sweet and delicious. Can be customized with various toppings. Affordable and easy to make. Bananas themselves have many health benefits, like improving digestion, boosting energy, and keeping you full longer. Just make sure to enjoy them in moderation. Okay, back to our nuggets. Once they're golden brown, remove them and drain on paper towels to absorb excess oil. Step 6. Serving. Here it is, our crispy and delicious banana nuggets. You can sprinkle them with powdered sugar, drizzle chocolate sauce, or top with grated cheese. You can even dip them in chocolate or honey for extra sweetness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more exciting recipes. See you in the next video.